Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send your USDT from Bybit to Bitget. Alright, so in order to send from one exchange to another, head to the assets menu at the bottom of the screen, scroll through and select your assets so you can find the amount of USDT you hold on your wallet. Once you've taken this into account, click on the withdraw option, use the search icon to simply search for USDT. Click on the USDT option and then proceed to provide an address, network, and amount. Remember, we're going to be performing an on-chain transaction. It's not an internal transfer, it's an on-chain, so which is just sending from one wallet or one address to another address. All right, now provide the network you wish to send in. We could send this simply in the BNB Smart Chain or the Tron or the Arbitrum one. So let's go with the Arbitrum one. The minimum withdrawal fee here is just 1 USDT. So all you need to do now is enter the address and the minimum amount. So minimize and open up your Bitget account. Once you've opened up Bitget, click on the Add Funds menu at the home screen. Click on Deposit Crypto, seeing as you have some crypto assets. Select USDT in the popular coins list. And then remember, we're going to be sending from the Arbitrum network. So click on Arbitrum 1, copy your address. As you can see, there's no memo or tag required in this wallet address. So then minimize and then proceed to open up your Bybit. Paste the address there. Make sure the network matches as Arbitrum 1. And you can easily send the amount of USDT you wish by clicking on the withdraw option. So guys, that's how it's done. Just click on withdraw and you'd have sent your USDT over to your Bitget. And all you need to do is reload. So guys, that's how it can easily be done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.